Hi, kindergarten friends. Welcome to Language Arts. We are working in Unit 2 now. So let's look at our question for this unit, Unit 2, Week 1. Our question is, why do animals move from place to place? So those could be small animals, big animals. We want to know, why do they need to move? What are they needing to do, or what kind of things do they need to make them move? So if we look over here on page 14 of our Unit 2 My View book, we have the big topic, time to move, and we have an exclamation point at the end. And the story says, this is a whooping crane. In the summer, it lives in the north. Then the weather gets cold. The whooping crane needs to go somewhere warm. Where does it go? And so you can see, here's the whooping crane, and here it's flying. So it's all the way up here in Canada, and it goes all the way down here to Texas. Talk about the map. So in the summer, it is warmer up here. Here's the United States, and here it is in Canada. But then in this winter, it gets really cold, so then it flies all the way south so it can find more food, fish, make sure it keeps warm. Okay, so if you are at home e-learning today, you can just go ahead and read the story along with me on the video. If you are an e-learning friend that is staying home every day, I will have a separate video for all the worksheets. Okay, and if you are a B-Day student or an A-Day student, you will be doing the worksheets in class with Miss Beery and Mrs. Morgan. Okay, in your book, I want you to flip to page 30 and 31, and here is our story. Here's the front cover of our story. It says, Animals on the Move, written by Ron Frindle. And we see, it looks like a body of water, maybe a lake in the picture, and some geese flying. The sun is going down. So let's open the first page and see what the story is about. Okay, I want you to use your reading finger to point to the screen with me, or if you have your books at home, then you can point as you read with me as well. If you don't have your books at home, it's okay. You'll do it in school with Miss Beery or Mrs. Morgan. Some animals need to take long trips. They travel or migrate for different reasons. So another word for a long trip is to migrate. They are moving. That's one of our vocabulary words this week. Butterfly, geese, and whales migrate. In the pictures, you can see all the butterflies flying, all the geese flying, and here's the big whale. And then the question says, what do some animals do? Underline the word that names the main idea. So that's that special word, migrate. They need to move to be able to find food and resources to help them survive, to live. Go ahead and flip your page. Okay, have your reading finger ready. Why do animals migrate? They need to get away from places that are cold. And I kind of already gave you the answer on that last page, didn't I? But some places get too cold, just like up here in Indiana, it gets cold. It gets really snowy, and animals may need to have a warmer climate or warmer temperatures to live in. Why do monarchs butterflies migrate? Monarch butterflies fly south just to stay alive. So butterflies, they can't stay alive in the snow. They'll be too cold. Their wings may freeze, so they need to fly south to be able to have those warmer temperatures. Go ahead and turn your page. Why do geese migrate? Geese fly to warm places to find food. So if the ponds up here in Indiana, in the north part of the United States, are all frozen, they can't find the food. So they need to fly south to those warmer temperatures where they can't find food. Why do whales migrate? Whales swim to warm waters to have their babies. Okay, so when whales are migrating, they want to have a warm place for their new baby, right? Babies need to stay warm and cozy by their mamas, right? They can't be in cold water. Nobody wants to have a cold baby, so they get to the warmer water so that way they're nice and warm. In spring, these animals fly or swim back north. In fall, they migrate south again. So here we are up here. You can tell where Indiana is because we are right below the mitten. So the mitten is for Michigan, and then we're right below it. So we're right here. And here you can kind of see the patterns. So all these animals go down south where it's warmer, down here in the southern states of the United States or down to Mexico. And then when it's summer, they fly back or they swim back north. Would you want to get away from cold weather? Where would you go? So how about tell either a friend at home or a sibling or your mom, where would you like to go? Would you like to be in a warm place, or would you like to be in a colder place? Okay, so if you are e-learning at home, you can listen to the story again, or read it with a family member at home. And if you are also e-learning, then the next slide or the next video will be our workbook pages. If you are a student who's done this in class with Miss Beery and Mrs. Morgan, then you can watch this again today, and you can even read along with me at home with your packet. Okay, have a wonderful day. Remember, you can watch the video again to listen to the story again. Have a great day, friends. Bye.